Okay, right. So we thought you might like to see this because when you were sleeping, we changed this. This is because the last one had a big rusty hole here, and the wicked and evil M.O.T man said that wasn't acceptable. And even when I welded a patch on it, he still said it wasn't acceptable, so he had to put a new one in. How dare he? Anyway, so that's gone in, and it was a bit of an effort, it has to be said.
Not by you, thank God.
No, I know, not by me, thank God. And we've still got a little bit on that to do, because we've still got a drop link to put in there. And this bolt here wasn't... we had to chop that out. So that's not very good. So we have bought a new one from Toyota at a massive cost of £11, and that's not here till for a few days. So that's not really very good, but it'll do to drive around the yard. So anyway, we are going to change this arm here, and because this is the way we roll, and we are pretty interesting chaps, you know. We're going to video it because I'm sure you want to see it. So what we did, we undid this nut, we undid this nut, we undid these bits, we undid this nut, we undid this nut, and then we struggled with it. Yeah. And the nut up there, as Bridget would say, V tricky indeed. So we gave that a beating and eventually got that out, and yeah, it was all right. So we're going to do a time lapse on this because, hey, that's a bit interesting, isn't it? Okay, see you in a bit. So here we have it, one nicely installed, well, when I say nicely installed, one installed rear arm. So we've just put this bolt in here as a temporary thing. We've got bolts ordered from Toyota. They're going to be a couple of days, so those are just out there so we can get this off the lift. Everything else looks pretty good. We've got a drop link missing here. Again, we'll put that on. Look at that. We'll put that on as and when. But everything else looks okay. And that nasty M.O.T tester can give it a pass.
It's not nice.
I know he's not nice, is he?
No, you are.
I'm not nice. No.
M.O.T tester's lovely.
Yeah. Yeah, that's because he makes work for you, so I'm not entirely sure that he's quite as nice as you make him out to be. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.